Good morning, students. Our topic for today is using the tone and mood appropriately for one's purpose, context, and audience. Tone and mood in speaking help us express what we really mean, make sure others understand our message clearly. The way we say something can change its meaning. The tone and mood in speaking help us to express what we really mean or say something and we make sure that others understand what we are really mean. Tone is the attitude that the speaker takes towards what he or she is saying. The tone of voice expresses ideas and emotions. This affects the meaning of spoken words. It can show enthusiasm or express concern. The tone is the attitude of the speaker to takes towards what he or she is saying. The tone voice expresses the ideas and emotions. Mood. Mood suggests certain feelings. Words that are commonly used to describe include cheerful, reflective, gloomy, humorous, melancholy, romantic, mysterious, calm, angry, lonely, tense, and lighthearted. Mood is suggest for the certain feelings. Words that are commonly used to describe that include cheerful and reflective.